We've got a lot of people that are signing up for GPT accounts and different things and AI accounts that are using their personal because they don't necessarily want the boss to be, knowing that they're running to AI to learn this thing or, using AI to help write emails, whatever that looks like. So they're setting it up on their own, using it privately and quietly, but they're also training it, right? So it does have tons of company information. What's the protocol for what can and can't go in there of the companies? What's the stuff as far as security and privacy still that's being entered into these places? But two, if you're training it to do all of this, it is on the company's dime and while you're getting paid. So it should be the ownership probably of, but the company doesn't own your personal email account's login, right? And so I think, again, back to what are the standards of practice? How do we say, hey, we're going to provide the account and this is the account that you need to use. And if you leave, that's coming with us.